So here in Japan, in every city there are different vending machines. So for example, in Maya-san, like mine is, they're like this type of, and they're like pictures of the mountain here. And they also have like this type of highlighting thing, like pink and orange. So in this machine we have water, tea, apple tea, and orange juice, cherry juice, some other lemon tea, vitamin water, tea also, and vitamin C, cola, sissy lemon, and orange juice, apple juice. This is some yogurt, like coffee, tea. So over here in this vending, in Japan vending machines, if it's blue, it means it's cold. If it's red, it means it's hot or warm. So here it's written tsumetai. It means cold, tsumetai. And atatakai is hot or warm. Okay, so now we're on the ropeway in Maya-san, and from here we're going to look if there are any vending machines to make movies. Okay, so when we were going to this restaurant, we saw this vending machine, and it's also in Maya-san, just like a different part. So we were walking at night this time. So here around it's all mountain and forest. So here, these red lights mean they don't have any more the drink. If they don't have like this mark, it means they still have it. There are many like they don't have. So there's like teas and apple teas, oranges, Aquarius, water. So now I'm going to buy this apple juice in this machine. So here it is, the apple juice. Thank you for watching. Bye.